Hi guys. First, a little bit of context. We bought this 1996 Fleetwood Pounder about 2 years ago. Camped in it for a while. Decided we wanted to fix it up a little bit. So 1 week after going on a camping trip, my wife and I went and grabbed some paint and just real quickly decided to paint the walls white and paint the cabinets brown and put on some new brushed nickel handles, and it looked really nice. Now, don't judge this job because it was done in a day and a half with 0 touch-ups, but it really brightened it up and made the RV look much younger than it really is because it's 20 plus years old. We got so excited we came in here and started painting the bathroom. We got the walls done white. We got the drawer fronts and doors off. They're kind of over here. My wife painted those in the garage. But we got to talking, and when it comes to the front of the RV, we decided we wanted it nice and light up here. And we figured that the dark brown on these cabinets would just kind of put all this darkness up top we didn't want. So what we've decided to do is paint the bottom cabinets the dark brown, probably paint this whole unit white. I'll probably paint this with the dark brown, and this door will be the dark brown. But then we've got a nice seafoam green to go on all the walls, and then we'll paint all the top cabinets that go all the way around the front. We'll paint all of those white, pure white, and I'll paint them inside and out with the pure white. I'll even paint over this mouse fur or whatever they call that stuff. And I've decided to document this. We also bought some new tile flooring in kind of a travertine lick and stick. We got the Traffic Master Allure vinyl flooring, and there we go. Now there is a original walkthrough of this video, and I will link to it somewhere, of what this RV looked like the day we bought it in July of 2015. And then when I get done with all the interior renovations, I'll do another walkthrough to imitate that one so you can see the before and after. That's all for now. I'm going to get to work. First thing that we're going to do is start pulling out furniture. Starting with the captain's chairs, which I believe is 4 bolts around the base. I'm going to take this table out. It'll go back in. This chair, take the sofa out just so I can get to the walls. I don't know about taking the dinette out just yet. Definitely going to take the table off, get the cushions out of here, and then I'm going to see how hard it is to get the dinette out. I'd also like to recover these. These are kind of got some awesome velveteen on there. Woo! Maybe with some tan vinyl to match the front of the bounder. And then we have to decide what we're going to do with all the tables and ledges in here that are done with a laminate that is literally falling off in a lot of places. Table, countertops, bed tables in the back, little ledge table, the occasional table up here. And we haven't quite decided what to do there yet, but I'll let you know as we go. That's all for now. Let's get started.